My name is Devin. I'm a support engineer here at Listen, and today I want to show you how you can use custom steps in SoundCheck. Custom steps are operations that SoundCheck can perform that involve computer parameters, programs, scripts, and anything outside of the sequence that can't be done natively in SoundCheck. SoundCheck is built in the LabVIEW graphical programming language. If you have experience programming in LabVIEW, you can make SoundCheck do almost anything you can think of. If you're interested in creating your own custom VIs in LabVIEW to be used within SoundCheck, head to our knowledge base at support.listeninc.com, where we have a series of videos showing the process. Within SoundCheck, we provide a few options on how custom steps can be used. The first custom step is Instruments Open Close. This step is used for opening and closing virtual instruments within a sequence. It serves as a template, so you can create a custom step that combines your LabVIEW code with the operation of virtual instruments. The process is detailed in the SoundCheck manual. The Outline Ethernet step is for use with a 250ET-3D outline turntable. This step allows you to control the turntable from a step in your sequence with parameters like move to angle, move in angled steps, direction, and wait until rotation stops. RS-232 read integer is used to read an integer value from an external device, like a voltmeter, connected via RS-232. Serial number write read takes advantage of SoundCheck's serial number field. This is useful for production lines. And then there's the system step. This can be used to open any .exe file, like a script in Python, or even something as simple as opening the calculator. Mixer volume adjusts the level of a WDM audio device. Within the step, I can select either a playback or a recording device, then the specific device I want the step to adjust, and finally the volume I want the device to be set at when the step runs. This is particularly useful for testing a device like a USB headset. Here I have a sequence that tests a USB headset at 3 different volume levels, 100%, 50%, and 25%. Before each acquisition step, the volume of the output is adjusted. Using SoundCheck's export feature, I can collaborate with a colleague even though we're both working from home. Support Manager Steve Tatarunas has a USB headset and a head and torso simulator, so he can show you what this test looks like. Take it away, Steve.
Thanks, Devin. Hey everyone, it's Steve Tatarunas, working from home, and this is a great example of collaborating with a colleague while we're both working at home. Devin has sent his example sequence over to me, and if you notice in the sequence editor over here, I've made a few adjustments to the sequence's signal paths to reflect the actual signal paths I'm going to be using here. So I've got a output for my USB headset. It's set up as a digital device, and then I've got an input set up for the left ear on my head and torso simulator. And yes, I actually have a head and torso simulator here in my basement. So I'm going to run the sequence now, and then we'll take a quick look at the results. And I should also mention, before I run it, I have gone in and configured the mixer volume controls and selected the Windows audio device that I'm going to be testing here. So let's give it a whirl and take a look at the results. Okay, so the sequence is run, and on the final display here, we're showing normalized THD at the 3 different volume levels at 100%, 50%, and 25%. So this is a great use of the mixer volume control in case you want to look at a distortion profile of your device and how it behaves at different stimulus levels by controlling it from the mixer volume step. And we could also just take a minute and display the fundamental curves as well. And put these down here. So there you have it, a quick demo of running Devin's sequence on Steve's SoundCheck setup and the results that you'll get. So thanks everyone for watching, and I'm going to send it back over to Devin now.
Thanks, Steve. The possibilities with SoundCheck are near endless. And if you're working from home, what better time to really dive in and see what can be done under the hood with SoundCheck? As always, have fun, and thanks for watching.